Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put 3D column chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we go to the insert menu. Then we select some data to this chart. Now I am select this data. Then select the column or bar chart drop down menu. We can see here many 3D chart here. Now you can add any chart. Now I am select the 3D 100% stack chart. We can see we put 3D column chart easily. You can change the color, style or formatting etc. Select the chart and go to the chart design menu. We can see here many style of the chart. You can add any style. Now I am select this. Otherwise you can change the color of the series. Select the chart and go to the change color drop down menu, and we can see here many color. You can change the color of the chart series. Now I am select this. Now we can see we put 3D column chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.